Good morning, friends. Today, as we have discussed in the last lecture, that we are going to continue about the laws of logarithm. So here we are going to discuss the laws of logarithm. Or logarithmic laws. This is called logarithmic laws. So two laws we already have discussed. Now the third one. So let me just take one example. So just revise a definition. We know that if a to the power x equal to b, this is the exponential form. So its logarithm form is log to the base a of b is equal to x. This is the basic definition of log. Now suppose I know that 2 to the power 3 is what? 8. Exactly. This is the exponential form. And 2 to the power 2 is 4. This is again the exponential form. What is its? What will its logarithmic form? Log to the base 2 of 8 equal to 3. Similarly, this will be log to the base 2 of 4 is equal to 2. Okay. Now if I add these two, what will I get? So LHS plus is equal to RHS. If I add these two, 1 and 2, what will I get? I am just adding these two things. So I will get log to the base 2 of 8 plus log to the base 2 of 4 is equal to 3 plus 2. LHS plus LHS equal to RHS plus RHS. So equal to log to the base 2 of 8 plus log to the base 2 of 4 is equal to 5. Correct? Now I just want you to ask one thing, that what will be the exponential form, or what will be the logarithmic form of 2 to the power 5, which is equal to 32, right? So its logarithmic form will be log to the base 2 of 32 is equal to 5. So I am just replacing this value of 5 with this value. Correct? I can do this because the 5 and this value are equal. So I am just replacing here to get the log value. So what will I get? Log to the base 2 of 8 plus log to the base 2 of 4 is equal to log to the base 2 of 32. Okay, correct. Now can you just tell me how can we get this 32 from this 8 and 4? How can we get this? Can you guess it? Exactly, we can multiply it. So 8 into 4 is equal to 32. So simply from this one law is drawn, which is, this is the first law, that log, and remember that base are same. So these base are same. So here you can write this as log to the base 2 8 multiplied by 4. Okay. So in generalize, let me just change the page. In generalize, we can write log to the base a of m plus log to the base a of n is equal to log to the base a m into n. So if we have the bases are same and we have the addition symbol between two log term, then we can combine the log by multiplying it, or vice versa. If you have log to the base a m by n, if you have multiplication here, then we can expand the log by adding log to the base a of n. So this multiplication sign change into the addition sign. Similarly, so this is the one law. Similarly, if I have subtraction sign between 2 log minus log a to the n, then I need to divide it, m upon n. The negative sign is denominator. This negative part will be the denominator. So from this we can write that log of 1 upon to the base a, 1 upon m, this can be written as log to the base a of minus m. Okay, or the same thing we can write as log to the base a of minus m can be log to the base a of 1 upon m. Okay, so these two rules I hope are clear to you. The another rule is it is also called as change of base formula. So suppose I have a log b to the base a. Now I want to change the base. I want to change this b here. I want to change the base as b. Then this will become log to the base m of a upon log to the base m of b. So remember, this base side is always a denominator. Here we need to write it. So this is called change base formula, and I want you to remember it because it's very useful in simplification. Okay, one more formula we are going to learn. I'll flip the page. So the formula is, if we have log to the base a m to the power n, then this n is come into multiplication and we can simply write log to the base a of m. This n we can write here in multiplication. So for example, if we have log to the base 10 of 2 square, then we can write it 2 into log to the base 10 of 2 in the same way. Okay. Also we can, so these all are the laws of logarithm that I want you to remember or to remind it.